Before buying Koolay, there are some key things you need to know that can save you both time and money. I'm going to break down 7 things that might make or break your decision. By the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer idea of whether it's the right tool for you, so stick around. This might just be the most important 5 minutes of your research. First up, Koolay isn't just another generic software on the market. Unlike other tools like Monday.com or Asana, which focus on project management, Koolay brings a level of automation and smart insights that can give you an edge. For example, the task automation feature is something I've seen other platforms try, but Koolay takes it to the next level. You can set up workflows with triggers, and the system learns from your actions, becoming more intuitive over time. This means less manual work for you and more time saved. Next thing you'll want to know is its customization options. A lot of people compare Koolay to tools like Trello or Notion, but what sets Koolay apart is how easily it adapts to different team needs. Whether you're a small business or a larger operation, you'll appreciate the drag and drop interface and ability to tweak everything from workflows to dashboards. But here's the kicker. It doesn't overwhelm you with too many options at once. It strikes a balance that makes getting started easy, but there's enough depth to grow with your business. The third thing is the integrations. If you've used tools like Slack, Google Drive, or even your CRM, you'll be happy to know Koolay integrates smoothly with these and more. Some competitors like ClickUp can have integration issues, but with Koolay, I've had zero trouble syncing everything across platforms. Whether you're tracking sales data or managing client projects, the seamless connection makes life so much easier. Moving on, let's talk about pricing. Now, Koolay isn't the cheapest on the market, but when you compare its features to something like Airtable or Basecamp, the value is clear. With its rich functionality, you're getting a premium tool at a competitive price. And here's where it gets even better. You can try Koolay for free with the best offer available through the first link in the description below. Seriously, you won't find a better deal anywhere else. The fifth thing you need to know is its customer support. I've tested out support from various tools before, and Koolay's team stands out. Whether you're stuck on a feature or just need some guidance, their 24/7 live chat and extensive knowledge base make troubleshooting quick and painless. Many competitors have support that feels like an afterthought, but not with Koolay. Now, the sixth thing is the mobile app. A lot of productivity tools have apps that feel clunky or incomplete, but Koolay's app works almost identically to the desktop version. I've used it on the go, and it's just as intuitive. Whether you're updating tasks or checking on project progress, the mobile version gives you everything you need without any compromises. Lastly, Koolay is constantly evolving. The development team is dedicated to adding new features, which is a big deal in the software world. If you've ever used a tool that stagnates and doesn't keep up with industry trends, you'll appreciate how Koolay keeps rolling out updates. This commitment to innovation ensures that you won't outgrow the platform anytime soon. So, if you're still on the fence about Koolay, now you know the ins and outs of what makes it stand out from the competition. Whether it's the automation, seamless integrations, or superior customer support, this tool has a lot to offer. And to get the best trial and exclusive benefits, just click the first link in the description below.